The Apple iPhone Ultra is rumored to feature a premium foldable design with a large 7.76-inch foldable LTPO OLED display that supports a smooth 120 Hz promotion refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. It is expected to be powered by the Apple A20 Pro chipset with a 6-core Apple GPU, paired with 1 2GB of RAM and storage options up to 2TB for flagship-level performance. The device is also rumored to pack a 5500 mAh battery, offering excellent all-day battery life even with its large foldable display. It is expected to support fast wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, allowing users to quickly recharge the device and conveniently power compatible accessories. For security and convenience, the iPhone Ultra is expected to feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner along with an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and barometer. Additional premium features may include ultra-wideband, UWB, support with Apple's second-generation chip, enabling precise device tracking and seamless connectivity, as well as emergency SOS, messages, and Find My via satellite for enhanced communication and safety in areas without cellular coverage. These specifications are based on current leaks and rumors and have not yet been officially confirmed by Apple.